Thanks to this Madagascar home trick, you will eliminate the bags under eyes in 2 weeks. Are you the one you lift with bags in your eyes and you find it impossible to get rid of them? In this post I will help you to hide them and try to make them disappear. The consumption of salt, alcohol or tobacco, coupled with a lack of sleep, are the main culprits of noting the inflamed eyes, especially in the area of dark circles. Other times are genetics, fluid retention, accumulation of toxins or simply hormones. If you want to say goodbye to the eye bags, there are some home remedies and cosmetic products very useful, but they will always be more effective if you follow some prevention guidelines. Eating a healthy and balanced diet and staying hydrated are 2 key steps so that the bags do not appear. The remedy that we will talk about today is a cream based on watercress and plum. This home lotion eliminates dark spots, whitens your skin and leaves you looking healthy. And it eliminates the bags of the eyes like by magic. Ingredients: chopped watercress leaf 3 tablespoons, plum juice 2 tablespoons, mineral water 250 milliliters. Preparation and use: 1. Bring the water to a boil with the teaspoons of watercress. Let it boil for 15 minutes over low heat. After that time, we turn off the burner and allow it to cool. Once cooled, we add the plum spoon and mix very well. Finally, pour it into a glass container and refrigerate. 2. This lotion should be applied every day in the morning and afternoon. It will cleanse and close our pores while whitening the skin on our face. Thanks to its powerful properties, in a short time the stains on our face and freckles will disappear. In turn, the skin will gain smoother and natural shine that will make us have a unique face. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.